Well, we're headed back down the river, aren't we, Sage? Yeah, we're gonna go down and try to get that, I guess what OLF would call it, be mulch. Maybe it wouldn't even qualify for that. We don't have any mushroom barns around here, so I guess somebody knows where they're at, close to South Dakota, let me know. I know there might be some different type of barns down in Colorado, but I don't know if they're got any shrooms or not. Anyway, so that's kind of pretty drive down through there. Oh, I should have took a picture. It's clear up on top. Seen 3 head of elk last night, so that was kind of cool. But the thunderheads are brewing, so we'll just go down here and try to get that done, and I'll take some video of probably the dust of flying and nasty, crappy stuff. But anyway, once we get down here, we'll get. Oh, I'm gonna tie these bales up with some twine just so we know what they are. But like I say, kind of pretty on the way down. Some water over there. There's another pretty good sized dam once we get down the bottom here. So Sadie's swimming hole, huh, Sadie? Yeah, that's your swimming hole down here, huh? Before you go get a drink every day. Yeah. More of the old clover everywhere. I'll have to look on my phone. I think I took a picture of earlier when we first started down here. It was really bright yellow then. And we're to the bottom almost. Is that your swimming hole, Sage? Huh? Is that your swimming hole right there? Yeah. Alright, I'll get back with you here in a bit. Yeah, we're still going in here, but there's some of the hay we already got put up. Actually, that stuff there's all good hay. We got it moved off already, so don't jump out. So anyway, we do put up good hay once in a while. This year it's just a challenge. Uh-oh. What's up here, Sadie? What's up? What are those? What are those, Sage? What are those? Oh, she loves her bovine. Alright, well, I'll get stuff ready and we'll get going. The river's even up more today. You can kind of tell it ain't very far from coming right over here. Alfalfa's kind of clocking it. This could be underwater if it gets any more. Woohoo! Time to get off the river. Woo! Hit some hot ones in there. Oh, come on, Mother Nature, show us your power. Well, got done bailing on the river. Well, it was dry anyway. Gosh dang wind. Screwed my windrows all up. But she's making a nice one. Them good old Rowse rakes, I'm telling you. Get yourself a set. Yeah, we'll get this raked up. I got some rake that was blowing around worse than this already, so I guess that storm the other night must have had some pretty good wind in it. Oh well, we'll get her done. These things are so big you just skip. See I'm skipping every other one. So I just skip 2, take 2. I'll just work my way clear over there. And then I'll just work my way back across the field. Bellying back up over here. Bigger field, I'd just keep, looping back and forth, just that way. But it's one way to kind of just keep yourself moving all the way, all the time. Anyway, I'll get this all raked up and I'll actually make a baling video maybe later on today. So, hold on. Stuff like this is what really makes these rakes shine, because I can just open them up and I just take more width, and I can pick up that straggling stuff on the outsides. see I've got, you know, basically 4 wheels on each side that aren't doing a heck of a lot. When I get up here now, you'll see it. When it's wind blowed this stuff out, you'll pick it up. Right there you go. I don't know if I drive straight. But anyway, yeah, it makes a world of difference. You had a set of, you know, you can only go so wide on a set of rakes. You're kind of limiting what you can do in wind blown hay, and that's just what we got here. So, no, I like them. They work real well. Not that I don't want a set of bar rakes. Some of this small stuff, if the wind didn't get to it, carrying some bar rakes would have been easier to be in here, but like I say, these things are just huge to turn around, but once you get onto them, it ain't no big deal, really. It's kind of like a short box versus long box. Effective. I personally do not like a short box bigger. They ride rougher. You can't haul nothing out. So anyway, well, once again, quit yammering along. Wished I had a mount. I was going to bring one this morning. I just stick it up in the back window and you guys can watch as we rake here. But I hope the wind noise ain't too bad on it. But, yeah, so anyway, I'll get back to paying attention to what I'm doing here, and we'll be baling this here shortly. Well, we're baling. I've already got like 41 bales already shoved through already today, so we're doing good. Old John Deere's just eating hay. Just what she's supposed to do. So yeah, stuff ain't doing too bad actually. And we're running anywhere about 16 to 18% moisture. This end's a little drier down here, a little thinner, but so, oh, I love that sound. Hello. Give me a full-size bale in there. Oh, that's what we like to hear. Right at the end of the winter, don't get any better than that. Go ahead and spin around, get lined up. Let's kick that one out of there. See, we're right by the river again, and it's went down considerably. Still a little soft along spots. It's all doing good. 568 baler, you know, so we're making big bales. You know, these are, I think I got it set at 66 and a half, somewhere in that. By the time I get stopped, we've got anywhere from a 69 to 70-inch bale in there, so that's plenty enough. They're packing it tight, so got the pressure. I'm running right at the red line on the pressure gauge, so I like to have them tight. It's a beautiful day. I think it's going to be a hot one. Sounds like it's going to get into the 90s. So, but the clouds are building to the west, so. And the wind did get a hold of some of these, and now that I've raked them, we cannot stake a wind. I'd have a wreck down here, and I don't want them getting wet. So we're gonna go ahead and get it wrapped up. These are a little dry in spots, but you know, it's still better than getting wet again. I like to say, this stuff I don't think got much rain on it, but sure didn't discolor it much, so we're all good. Oh, I imagine I got probably, possibly an hour left to bale here. I got that mess over there that the wind really got to, and there's some bunches in there that had some moisture in them this morning, so I'm hoping here it'll get it cooked out of it. So, yeah, but the river has went down a lot. So, anyway, hopefully I'll talk to you guys after a bit, and either we'll be on the road moving, or I'll be back to cutting. That's how close I cut, and I think I left it a little bit wider than that. I think she caved off. Yeah. Pretty wide this time. Won't be much longer, and that tree's gonna be in there too. But it don't quit raining. Oh well, it's all good country right now this year. I just thought I'd give you a look at the river. Got just a little bit left to bail. And we'll get on with it.